Hello, welcome back to Cussion Reve. If you are interested on how to make restaurant quality dishes at home easily, please comment, subscribe and like our channel. I promise you won't be regret. We've been making a lot of main courses recently and I decided to make some side dish for you all. Thinking of side dish, what do you think pairs up with your Sunday roasting is the best? For me, it must be a crispy potato. And today, we'll be making a baked potato with crispy skin and fluffy inside. To start off with, we'll need to peel off some potatoes. And our potatoes has now been finished peeling off, and we'll need to cut it into big chunks. You don't want it too small, or else after boiling, the potatoes will melt. Then we add our potatoes in our cold water. Remember, when you're boiling root vegetables, don't use boiled water. Add in generous amount of salt just to season potatoes. Boil the potatoes till it's nearly break off, and we'll start off prepping our stuffs for the roasted potatoes. We'll need half of a red onion, some shallots, and half a garlic, a sprig of rosemary and thyme. After prepping our veg, we'll need a big knob of butter. And this is the prepping that we need. When our potato is boiling, we can make our cucumber yogurt for the dipping. Just cut the ends off. And we can start to grate up our cucumber. Cucumber contains a lot of moisture, therefore we need to hydrate it with salt. Heavily season our cucumber with salt. Mix it through and place it on a sieve to drain out the moisture. It should take around 10 minutes. Our cucumber has been draining for around 10 minutes and it's completely dried out. We can add it inside to our yogurt. With the yogurt, we're going to zest some lemons and just a little splash of lemon juice. As we've heavily seasoned our cucumber, we don't need much seasoning here. Have a little taster. If it's alright, don't add any more salt. And if you want it more refreshing, you can also add some mint inside. Set it inside the fridge and we'll wait till the potato is soft and tender before adding it into the oven. Our potatoes are now soft and tender. I've already drained off the water. Here's a little trick that you need to do. You need to take out all the starch to the surface so that it creates crisp surface while baking inside the oven. Just shake it around with the lid on. And when you see it start to stick on the bottom, that means the starch has already come out. Add it to the tray. Mix it in. add in a little touch of vinegar. It just helps up to crisp up even more. Set on your oven to 180 and bake it for 40 minutes, and we'll be back in 40. After an hour, our potato has been crisped up and golden brown. We'll start to plate up. And lastly, we're gonna rub some rosemary. Serve it up with our cucumber yogurt, and it will be the best buddy for your Sunday roast. And this is the end of the video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on the little bell next to it. And I'll see you next time.